Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zen Device to Zen Studio, updated. Start by powering on the Zen device and opening Zen Studio on your computer. Enable Bluetooth or USB mode and make the device discoverable. On the computer, choose Add Device, pick the Zen device name, and follow the pairing prompts. Enter the PIN if requested, complete setup, and test playback to confirm a stable connection. If pairing fails, take a calm stepwise approach to diagnose the issue. Check cables, ports, and permissions first, then update firmware on both the Zen device and Zen Studio. Install the latest driver on your computer and restart to ensure the system sees the device. Temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to test pairing, then enable exceptions. If power seems low, try another USB port or a powered hub before resetting device settings. Open Zen Studio Preferences and choose the Zen device for both input and output to minimize latency. Make sure sample rates match between the device and your session to prevent clicks and drift. Adjust buffer size to find a balance between low latency and stable performance, lowering it for live playing and raising it for mixing. Save a device profile so you can recall these settings quickly and test recording and playback before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.